Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 2553. Separate the digits in an array. This is an easy problem that's relatively simple, and next I will show you a very intuitive solution. This is quite simple. We are given an array with positive integers nums, and we need to return an array with the digits of each integer in nums after separating them in the same order they appear in nums. So if we're given this input, we need to return an array with 1, 3, 2, 5, 8, 3, 7, and 7. So this is the result. As you can see here, these two digits belong to this number, these two digits belong to this number, and so on. We need to preserve this same order. There are basically two ways to solve this. One is we can transform every integer into a string, and then split the string to get every digit and add each digit in integer format to the final result. If we want to avoid using strings, we can take every integer and divide them by 10. So that's how we get the last digit. In this case, the result is 3. Now we are extracting the last digit, and then we repeat the process with every other digit. And by doing this, we don't have to use strings. So let's see the first approach, because I think that's very straightforward and it's enough for this easy problem. We can go through these integers from left to right, so we start with this one, and first we transform the integer into a string. So in this case, we get this. And now we can go through these characters one by one, so we start here. We need to transform this into an integer because this is a string right now and we need the integers in the result. So we transform this into an integer, add it here in the result. Then we continue with the next character. We do the same. We add it here in integer format. And we repeat the exact same process with every other integer in this array. So finally, we get this. Time complexity here is big O of n times log base 10 of the maximum number in the array nums. Why? Well, because we are going through every integer in the array, and from each of these we have to iterate every character. So the amount of digits in an integer is given by log base 10 of the integer. This means that the maximum amount of digits that we are iterating in any integer is given by the maximum number in nums. So this is overall time complexity, and space complexity is the same because of this array that we have to return. So with this in mind, now let's see how to code this up. The result is an empty array initially, and now we can go through every number in nums. First, we transform the current number into a string, like this in Python. And then we can say for every character in the string, we add to the result.append the current character, but this is a string and we need integers, so we transform the character into an integer like this in Python. And after all of this, we can return result. So this is it for the code. Now let's submit this. As you can see, this works and it's efficient enough. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.